Welcome to 2745 Foxcroft Cir, where you will find 4 bedrooms and 2 baths with a wide-open floor plan. The great room, kitchen, dining and foyer offer the much-wanted open floor plan with laminate flooring. Split 4-bedroom floor plan, large utility room, 2 baths and a 2-car garage. The kitchen has beautiful granite counters with a large breakfast bar island, pantry, and stainless appliances. The master bedroom has a walk-in closet and a private bath with a beautiful granite-topped vanity with dual sinks. The guest bathroom also has a granite-topped vanity. The home has 0.36 of an acre landscaped yard, with no rear neighbor, but offers a privacy fence and a patio for entertaining. Located in the popular Foxcroft neighborhood with city sewer, sidewalks, and Kingsbury Elementary. This is a one-owner, brick, home built in 2017 and still looks new. Click on the red dots to go to that location of the home. Click on the back arrow to return to the previous scene. Click the forward arrow to view the next scene, or just sit back and enjoy the tour as it plays. The great room has beautiful laminate floors, a vaulted ceiling with a ceiling fan. Measures 21.4 inches by 15.8 inches and is open to the kitchen and dining room. This home offers an amazing open floor concept where no one is left out of the fun conversations. The kitchen has beautiful granite counters with a large breakfast bar island, pantry, and stainless appliances. The eat-in area of the kitchen measures 10.7 inches by 9.11 inches, and has the laminate floors that are throughout all the main living areas. This view of the eat-in kitchen and great room showcases the gorgeous open floor plan of this lovely home. The kitchen has laminate floors, beautiful granite counters with a large breakfast bar island, pantry, stainless appliances, and measures 11.7 inches by 9.5 inches. The master bedroom has carpet, a tray ceiling with a ceiling fan, a walk-in closet, a private bath, and measures 16.3 inches by 13.4 inches. The private master bath has a beautiful granite-topped vanity with dual sinks, vinyl floors, and measures 11 by 8.2 inches. The private master bath has a beautiful granite-topped vanity with dual sinks. Bedroom 2 has carpet, a ceiling fan, and measures 13 by 11.7 inches. The guest bath has a granite-topped vanity, vinyl floors, and measures 11.3 inches by 4.10 inches. Bedroom 3 has carpet, a closet, and measures 11.8 inches by 11.4 inches.